Take a look at a typical retail trader's desk. It is a wall of flashing red and green numbers, scrolling news tickers, and high-contrast charts stacked with conflicting digital signals. The assumption driving this setup is that the market is a puzzle to be solved by sheer volume of information. The belief is that if you layer on enough mathematical algorithms and data streams, you will eventually calculate your way to a perfect prediction. But relying on complex oscillators and moving averages introduces a fatal mechanical flaw. Because these formulas require previous closing prices to generate their outputs, they are entirely comprised of second-hand data. By the time the indicator crosses over, the math dictates that the move has already happened. Trading off breaking news creates a similar trap. When an economic headline finally flashes across a public screen, institutional money and high-frequency algorithms have already reacted, aggressively pricing that information into the asset. This means a setup designed to process maximum information actually forces you into a permanent state of lag, constantly reacting to the market's recent past instead of anticipating its next move. Price action trading relies on a minimalist philosophy. It strips away the news feeds, the algorithmic overlays, and the external noise. Look at this financial chart. When we remove the colored lines, the moving averages, and the text overlays, we are left with only one source of first-hand data: raw price movement over a defined period of time. This naked chart is a complete behavioral map. Every global variable, central bank decision, and human emotion affecting an asset is already baked entirely into these raw structural turning points. Making sense of this map doesn't require analyzing decades of history. Price action traders typically tighten their focus to the most recent 3 to 6 months to establish the relevant context of the current market. Within that window, they look for specific critical turning points, referred to as swing highs and swing lows. This chart traces a 6-month price history. By connecting these peaks and valleys, we establish distinct floors and ceilings, the support and resistance levels. These are the physical footprints of the market, proving exactly where buyers and sellers drew lines in the sand and reversed momentum. As the price approaches these structural boundaries, specific recurring visual patterns emerge. Traders call these triggers, and they reveal the immediate psychological intent of the market. This setup is known as an inside bar. The vertical range of this smaller candlestick is completely engulfed by the previous mother bar. This shows a temporary momentum pause. The market is consolidating, building pressure like a coiled spring waiting to violently break out. Another visual trigger is the pin bar, a single candlestick with a small body and a long tail protruding from surrounding price action. This tail documents an aggressive rejection. Sellers pushed the price down, hit an invisible barrier, and were forced violently back up. These patterns map out shifts in human intent, signaling a likely reversal before the broader market recognizes the change in momentum. However, the market frequently sets traps. Understanding how to read false moves actually opens up some of the most lucrative opportunities for a price action trader. Consider the fakie pattern. The price briefly breaks out of an inside bar, only to immediately reverse and close inside the mother bar's range. This lures amateur traders. When the trap snaps shut, the panic from trapped buyers fuels a push in the opposite direction. Through the mechanics of human panic, a failed breakout provides an incredibly strong, predictive signal of true market direction. An isolated candlestick pattern tells you very little if it forms in the middle of nowhere. Context is required. To find high-probability setups, a trader looks for confluence, instances where a specific price action trigger perfectly aligns with a key structural level in the market. This 6-month chart shows a clear uptrend. The price dips to a well-established horizontal support line, forming a perfect pin bar. The upward momentum, historical support, and this visual trigger simultaneously confirm the exact same psychological reality. Stripping away the digital noise forces you to analyze the direct mechanics of supply and demand. By trading first-hand reality and structural confluence, you gain the absolute clarity needed to read the market as it actually is.